If you're like me and your phone spends more time out of the pocket than in the pocket, you might want to check out this case. And if you definitely just upgraded to the S26, then you're going to definitely want to invest into a case that you feel comfortable that's not going to break the bank and then also break its body, right? Now this case right here is designed to not break. It uses the Aramid skin technology, and I just like that design. I mean, check out that design. It's just really cool, and so that's why I picked it up. Plus, on the inside, you can see that it's MagSafe, and I like the magnet charging. With the new S26, you have that new enhanced or ultra speed, like a 20-watt wireless charger. So this is gonna get charged a lot faster just by sitting in my truck or on my desk, just attached to the magnet. Again, this technology, the Aramid technology, the skin, I'm not really familiar with it, but I guess it's really like the military grade. They use it for space station, so you know that it's strong. The first thing right out of my gate is like, oh, that is really light. Usually if things are light, they're flimsy, they break easy. This apparently is not the case. Again, I just barely got the S26. You're probably still in that same group where you're just barely getting the phone. So I've not really tested this particular case out, but I definitely have tested the military grade cases before. And just a quick tip, if you're gonna put it in, slide it in from the bottom and it snaps in a lot easier that way. So once you snap it in, really flexible, it opens up right here. I actually love this design. I think it's kind of cool. I didn't know I was gonna like it as much until I actually started using it. But there's a little bit of slight, it starts out, I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but it starts out really thick, which is gonna protect your lenses, and then it goes really thin to the case. It just goes from thick to thin. It's just unique, it looks awesome, plus you have a cool design here. It gets away from that case that has the circle that you know it's a Mag's case, but it is. You can attach it to a magnet here and go like that on each side. You can turn it like that. It's really good. So if you have that in your truck, in your car, whatever, it's gonna hold on to there. So I don't think you can go wrong with any case, but you're really looking at it from the sleekness to design. The feel is really good in the hand. It actually has that technology or that where you're not gonna get fingerprint on it, oil, anything like that. That's a must for my case. My old case, as you can see, this is my old case. You can see that, look at all that fingerprint and oil. I didn't like that at all. So that was for me a must, that it's not gonna get that fingerprint on there. So if you're looking for a case that's gonna not only protect, look good, and not get your fingers all nasty on the back, and it's magnet, this one might be worth checking out.